In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the responses of a Google form on your phone. So this video is for someone who's already created a form and wants to check the responses. So if you haven't created a form yet, you can check out this video which shows you how to make one. And now let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do is open Chrome. So try and use Chrome for this because we'll use a feature that's available in Chrome. Once you're in Chrome, make sure that you've signed in with the account with which you've made the Google form. So you'll find that on the top right over here. And then you'll have to search for forms.google.com. So search for this and this will take us to Google Forms. So now it's taken us to a page to create a new form. But what we want to do is check the responses of an earlier form. So first, you'll have to change the view to desktop view. Click on the three dots which are on the top right over here. After that, click on desktop site. That's here. And now as you can see, it's taken us to the home page of Google Forms. And here we can find all of the forms which we've created. So now what you have to do is open the form whose responses you'll want to see. And now as you can see, we've reached the form. So on top, you'll find a responses option that's over here. So just click on it. And here you can see all of the responses to the form. So here there are three ways to see the responses. First is a summary. So this gives a summary of all the responses. So in this you'll see graphs and charts which will summarize all the responses. After that, you can see the responses question by question. For that, click on the question page that's written over here. And now as you can see, for the question, do you use YouTube? I get all of the answers over here. Then if I want to see the response to another question, I can just click on this box and change the question. So if I want to see the name, as you can see, all of the responses have come here. So the same way, you can see the responses for each question. And the third page is individually. So here you can see how each person filling in the form has responded. Since I have 11 responses, I have 11 different pages where I can view each response. So this is response 1. This is how the first person responded. Then if I want to see how the fifth person responded, I can click on the box and click on response 5. And here is how the fifth person responded. So these are the different ways to see the responses, but there's one method which I really like, and that's linking all the responses to a Google Sheet. So they have an option for that as well. All you have to do is click on this green Google Sheets icon that's over here. Then select an account to which you want to link the responses to. And now as you can see, all of the responses are linked to the sheet. So here I can see the time of each response and what all they answered. So this gives a really good overview of all the responses, and one cool thing about this is that all new responses will automatically get added to this sheet. So these are basically all of the different ways to view the responses on your phone, and if you want to know different ways to share the responses with others, then check out this video over here. That's it for today. Goodbye.